Completing the setup on Capital One after signing up is essential to access your account and manage your finances effectively. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth setup process. Step 1. Access the Capital One website or app. Visit the Capital One website or download the Capital One mobile app from your device's App Store. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions during the setup. Step 2. Log into your account. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Verify your identity. You may be prompted to verify your identity through a code sent to your registered email or phone number. Check your email or SMS for the verification code and enter it in the provided field to proceed with the setup. Step 4. Set up security features. Once logged in, navigate to the security settings to set up additional security features like two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account, ensuring that only you can access it. Step 5. Customize your account settings. Explore the account settings to customize your preferences, such as notifications, payment methods, and account alerts. This will help you manage your account more effectively and stay informed about your transactions. Now that you have completed the setup process, you can start using your Capital One account to manage your finances and make transactions. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section on the website or app for assistance.